Don't tell anyone.
Who invites ulit?
Wait, teka.
The
There we go.
cheesy of the chimps.
Are we on stream?
Yep.
Oh, Bray, ingat ah.
Wow! Okay!
Bray, wag ganyan.
Whoa. Grabe, Brian. What is
Bray,
this?
yung sinabi mo kanina, hindi, wag yun.
What?
What a bait.
What's up, baby?
Alright, I'm
Or
queuing it up.
someone says something funny.
You want to?
No gamer words.
I mean, I can start.
What do you guys mean?
No, dito na. Yeah. More of that song.
Oh shit. There's a secret in SF6 in
Yup.
the local only ano.
Yeah. Cow commentators.
Cow commentators.
Really?
Ano yun? What is that?
If you play local and you know the walkout scene, you can
Ah.
input a secret code there and it
Oh, that's
replaces
good.
your commentators with animals.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh man, I miss cheat codes like that.
Yeah,
Oh,
dude,
that's
man.
good. Good
Wait.
shit.
Man, I wish the walkout scene talaga is available online.
Wala eh. Walkout
It's
scene is
offline
only
na.
ano for local.
Downright Up, LYBXA.
That's cool. I hope someone does that in a tournament.
Oh yeah, pagka-tournament.
Kasi local eh. Like, dude, that walkout scene is like designed for like Evo.
For interaction. Yeah.
Dude, sumisigaw yung crowd eh. Yeah! Yeah!
They did it sa CEO eh, and it worked.
Yeah, dude, it worked.
People
It worked to see
keep
Evo.
shouting, yeah. Tapos fucking Mena skipped everything. Like a criminal. Sobrang killjoy.
Killjoy, diba sa Valorant yun?
Yeah.
Best game in the world, #1 FPS.
Is it?
Wait lang,
It
nasa stream
might
ba
be.
tayo?
Oh,
Guys,
nasa
it
stream
might
nga
be.
tayo.
It might be. It could be for others. I'm sure it's a nice game with balance, with great balancing in characters, perfect netcode.
That.
Spot on shooting.
Yes, yes.
No
very
cheats. No cheats
cheats at
whatsoever.
all, no cheats.
And all the agents get really bad with their guns when they inch forward.
Fuck Valorant. Okay.
Very.
Fuck.
Hey, then don't be like that. I love cartoon games. Cartoon games.
Like what I mean, I'm saying it. Fuck Valorant. My name is Jan Brian in Facebook.
My name is
Yeah.
Gerard, and I fucking hate
My name is also John Bryan. Fuck Valorant and fuck the church.
Oh,
wait. Whoa,
Wait,
whoa,
No,
whoa.
It's fine. The church fucks itself. Doesn't matter.
alright, there we
I
go.
take any chances
Let's
with
not
Bravo.
ban
Fucking-
Bravo.
No, I'm not
Okay,
listening.
okay,
I'm not
okay,
listening.
Okay.
No.
Ito na naman tayo.
No.
Sige.
Someone record this. Someone record
I
this.
am
Well, we
streaming
did
it.
win that last time because they quit.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Ah.
Okay.
All right. Okay, I like that.
Good shit.
Oh.
In
Huh?
Oh, he wants this early, huh? He
Huh?
wants this early,
Canal
huh?
Wizards. Canal Wizards. I don't want Modi. Sure. Hibi. I could take a Hibi.
Bravia. Okay, I like
Oh.
Bravia.
Bravi, sige.
Ano sabi nila?
We're gonna do Thatcher the kitchen wall.
Kasi baka ano sila,
Bitch.
kanal.
Baka gusto nilang magkanal.
Gusto nilang magkanal.
Taong kanal.
Too bad. Anal not allowed.
Oh, what?
Canal not allowed. Kim.
Why did they ban the Singaporean?
Kasi si Kuya Kim.
Lakas na yan.
Si Kuya Kim.
It's quick.
Ayun.
Alam mo
Elemento na
ba?
yun eh.
Ba't nila binaan si Emil?
Mhm.
Mga bago. Ayaw nila ng bagos.
Ito,
Solis
bago.
or
Ito,
Solis?
bago.
Si
Okay.
Solis, yan. Ayaw mo
Yan. Maglaro tayo ng Siege ng 2021.
Mm-mm.
2021 edition. Let's go.
Dude.
Puro bago.
Okay, Siege from 3 patches ago. Let's go.
Alright, let's rock.
Cocktail tapos magkadami ako.
This work in 2022.
Alright, doing Ella cigar.
Still gonna do the stupid Ela mute strat.
Yeah, dude. Ela mute strat from 2 years ago. Let's go.
Di lang, huh? That's like 3
Di
years
lang.
ago, 4
Oh,
years
fuck.
ago. What's up, Pasicon?
Hey, dude, it still works, so.
Yeah. Sino ba yun, Rafi? Who's that
Hmm?
YouTuber? I forgot the name of that YouTuber.
Na?
Yung nag...
You know. Bad.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yun daw, ano? This strategy works against Macy J.
Gotta be evasive.
Evasive.
Ay, bobo.
Sino din? Sino yung bobo?
Sabihin mo,
Ah,
turo mo,
okay.
turo mo.
Okay.
Hindi ako nakatro
That's
sa
no fun.
Fifth na incident. But these personal hearts.
Sino yung bobo din? Sisirain namin notes niya.
Gago yun eh.
Wait lang.
Right, this one. Ah, kita? Shit, sayang.
Okay.
I'll give you the one here.
Radyo, putang ina.
Oy,
Babasag na
ulos
sa side ko.
Nasa loob na!
Huh?
Hindi
Saan?
sa loob na. Sa likod ng Zami mo.
Amaru, putang ina.
Yeah.
Got him?
You guys get
Patay
him?
na.
I'm hard.
Ah, puta, kaya palang ingay. Nanonood pa ako kay Rafi.
What?
Puta.
Yeah.
Finka.
May tao na ba?
Oh, meron.
meron Finka sa labas. Pero hindi pa nakapasok. Paano?
Okay, good.
I bet.
Okay. They're breaking the hatches na.
Mali.
Uh-oh. Emil,
Yep.
gotta step up.
Got him.
Nice.
Finka dun sa may piano, whatever. Christmas. Okay.
Sasayo kami.
Got him.
Nice.
2v2.
Piano, finka. Sumama
Nice,
na.
full HP kayo.
Kaya pumasok na.
I got case, I got case.
Nakatingin
I got case, I got case.
Okay, got case. Sige, bantayan mo lang. Manggagaling siyang piano banda.
Sa left mo, nasa left mo.
Oo.
Dun sa galing piano yan.
Manggagaling piano.
Ah.
For sure. Lalabas yan dyan sa pixel. Yep.
Nandun pa rin siya.
Nandun pa rin.
siya sa
Yep.
balcony.
Pa-pixel na. Papunta na siya dyan.
Sige lang.
Fuck me.
Wow.
Wow.
Unahan ako.
Free fire.
No.
Oh,
Hindi
peak.
ka sumama.
Peak.
Na-peak ka.
It's fine. It's ano rin. I got the
Ulit.
SMG-11.
Ulit.
Hmm.
Gana sana eh, pero hindi eh.
Nano tayo ng mamaro ah.
Yeah. It's alright.
Finka.
Nakapasok.
Finka. Napatay ko yung Finka.
Yos, Finka, Maru. Since Altair.
It's Flores.
Okay. Weird choice for Altair. Italian, tama.
What's si Frost?
Have a good game, boyos.
Parang
Thank you,
Amaru.
Aslan.
Mamma mia!
Good night.
Yan, may tarap.
Mamma mia. Gino Stone pizza.
Oh, fucking
Nag-hatches
dude.
sila, no?
Dude, I got Geno's tonight.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, wow.
Gino's good, dude.
Geno's delicious. I got the margarita with mozzarella and some 5 cheese. Oof.
Dude, margarita good.
Think you're gonna do it again?
I think.
Ayun na.
Sa labas pa sila yan. Tabi. Tomorrow. It's too late tomorrow now.
Mhm.
Oh, ingat.
Someone's shooting?
Ingat.
They're busting through yung some of them are in the...
Meron sa window dito ah.
Meron
Ito
din.
na
Okay.
pumasok na.
Shit. Meron nandun nga. They're droning. Shit.
Ingat.
Someone on the roof. Ingat.
Mm.
They're shooting.
Ingat dito.
Saan yung mga nomads na yun?
Sorry.
Oh my
sorry.
god!
Sorry.
Oh, it's okay. I was about to get him. Oh shit!
May papasok na yun eh.
Oh my god. I was like, what the fuck killed me?
Ayun, Flores na naman. 1 HP Flores.
Paano ng cams?
May old balcony.
Oh shit.
Old balcony. May
Someone got me from bonus.
Meron rin sa bar na mismo.
Sige,
Nomad.
paano lang camera lang? Yung camera ko.
May control sila.
Dito Ping one.
I got him.
Ping one,
Pa-up
ping
ako.
one.
Sige. Fight na lang, fight.
Nomad and bar.
We can't look at the cameras.
Anong crossfire natin dito? Medyo...
Nomad and bonus. Number 4.
Blinded.
Dalawa sila bonus.
Paano tayo?
I'm going out. They have control?
Yeah.
Oh, fucking shit.
Putang ina.
A nomad. Shooting.
Nice.
Nasaan siya? Puta!
No, he's down. Defuse.
Fuse.
Yes.
Asan?
No.
Oh, what?
He's up.
Dun siya.
He's up.
Putang inang
Oh,
nomad
wait,
yan. Kinain ko lahat.
Galing.
What? Akala ko you down Nomad.
I thought he was down. What the?
I thought then. Don't worry. Kitchen?
Sige.
Better we try kitch.
Guess I'll do hatch.
Hindi ko rin ata abot, if ever.
Oh, I have a new
Sinong-
mute skin, right?
Sino labas?
Ako.
Sige. So, kulang
Hindi,
na
action.
yung-
Sige.
Sige, lobe din ako eh.
Yep. Totally. Good hatch.
Go. Get hatch.
Down to 5 seconds. Be advised, Op 4 has found a bomb. Op 4 has located
I don't want
a
to do
bomb.
2
Be ready
mirrors.
for hostile action.
Shit, may mali akong ginawa. Kutok ulit.
Oh, yung Brian, no?
Ganda.
Small bake window.
Yep. Small big window.
Ilan,
Just
Bri?
open.
Dalawa.
Okay.
Yung isa may shield. Blitz ata, tas may nasa likod din.
Binuksan nila small bake window pero walang tao.
Shit. Hindi tayo nag-game for season.
Meron sa may white.
Hold on, nagre-reinforce ako. Okay, I hear may
Nice,
nasta.
nice. May sapain, may sapain. May nasa likod niya kanina eh.
Okay. I got your behind. Ako, ikaw na lang sa small bake. Alright.
Monty.
What the fuck? Saan galing yun?
Monty dito. Sa white.
From far away.
Nasa white din ako.
Oo. Patingin ng white. May Monty, saka may isa pa. Lugi ako.
Uy! Chompo, puta na yan.
Bakery,
Papunta sa'yo, Jury.
Wow, okay.
Nice
Last
one.
operator standing.
Nasa amin yung ano.
Flores outside nung Mira. Outside bakery.
Last
Okay,
in
dito sa amin
bakery.
yung ano.
Pumasok na, kitchen na. Service
Sige
na,
lang,
service
Nasa
sige
na.
amin spike, nasa amin spike.
Nasa akin spike, nasa spike.
Okay,
Wait lang.
sige.
Yes,
Ah.
nice!
So, yun pa.
Spike tuloy. I love
What
Valorant.
happened?
See? What Valorant?
Oh,
Altair.
Altair!
That's a leap of faith, my friend.
Chissà de pace.
Hindi.
Pili po, pili.
Pabli tutto.
Altair.
Mamma
Okay,
mia.
okay.
Oh, Altair.
Okay.
It's Altair, di ba?
Altair.
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 Altair, ano
Altair,
ba?
Altair Jordans.
Altair Jordan.
I love
Sabi
Ubisoft.
tayong ayaw maniwala na spicy Katarina.
Holy Ghost. Sobra.
It's the best gassing
What a
ever.
spy.
Gaslighters.
Mm.
Totally spy.
What?
Totally a spy.
Jerry.
That's Giga's name.
His name is Jerry.
Yep.
Jerry.
Jerry Spy.
Tatawa-tawa na naman.
Dude. If Blanca's name can be Jimmy, Giga's can be Jerry.
Okay. Uy,
Diba?
close. Then
What's happening?
Crash yung
I'm not
siege.
sure. I think it crashed.
Nag-crash yung siege.
Nag-crash
Sorry.
din yung sa akin.
Feeling ko nag-crash din sa akin.
Lahat?
Yep. Yep.
Clarissa has left the game. Hindi.
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 Ah,
Si
okay.
Clarissa lang.
Okay.
Naramdaman lang natin yung pagka-crash ni Rafi.
Mm-mm.
Kasi ayaw niya
Ay.
maniwala na
Ay.
spicy Katarina.
Be advised your drone has located.
Ayoko na dito.
Kaya mo yan, Rafi. Kaya mo
Sick
yan bumalik.
vigil.
Kaya.
I don't even sweat these anymore. I can get back.
Last 30 seconds, exec. Ganun kalupit.
Well,
Ay,
no,
puta kung
bakit?
ganito. Kung konti lang tayo, mag-a-ash bash ako.
Pwede.
Oo. And,
Para
10
minus
seconds.
2
Even naman count.
putang ina, may live show, no?
Uy, saan muna tayo ba? Saan muna tayo?
In 5 seconds.
May Christmas ako, Christmas.
Sige.
Puta, hindi na ako pwede lumipat.
You've located a bomb. Make
Oh,
your
fuck.
way to
Ako
its
yung...
location.
Okay.
Paano
What?
paantay pawn peak?
Yep. Good on my side.
On your 6 then.
Meron.
Nice.
Bitch!
Good shit.
Meron das.
I'm
Wait,
headed
why?
up. I'm headed up to distract them.
When a cowboy trades his spurs.
Close. Taas lang natin.
Ay, puta.
Nice one.
Good shit.
Yan.
Watching freezer. Parang walang tao.
Ay, mali. Shit. Sorry.
Gago! Nasa loob ng laundry. Torn.
Na naman?
Oo. What the fuck? Akala ko yun yung pinatay mo.
Hindi. Meron pa pala.
Ay, puta ka! Freezer. Freezer, Doc. Freezer, Doc.
Okay.
Left. Walang rotate, don't worry.
I'll do one.
Yeah!
Ay, putang ina!
Yun lang.
Shit.
Taas pa. Sa taas
Nahan
pa.
ako.
Last operator standing.
Torn laundry ah.
Hit Doc Rook.
Likod mo, baba.
Below you, Emil.
Below yun. Ah, okay. Bumagsak sa dyan. Para ininja ako.
Sana may maano ako.
Ang weird na sound ng siege.
Yun, bumaba.
Yan. Ah, sayang.
Nagkakabulan lang kami.
Oo nga eh. Nice try, nice try.
Kita ko yung
Saan siya
red dot
galing?
niya eh. Kita ko yung red dot niya eh.
Who is that?
Oh no, kailangan natin manalo.
Yes, kailangan natin manalo. Magbe-blitz na oh.
Tsaka, kasi mababan si Raf. dun.
La, nabaliw.
Hindi, ay. Wala
Hindi.
ba si ano?
Wala na
Wala pa rin,
naman. Ganun. Weird. Okay. Twice Twice na siyang nag-crash This ain't on my laptop no more.
We gotta
We need to locate a bomb.
Then natin sila kitchen to, no? Oo nga.
Kailangan
kitchen.
Yeah, yep.
Drone has
Honestly, right
located a
now,
bomb.
feeling ko kailangan nyo lang patagalin. Kasi,
Oo nga.
Kailangan manalo tayo.
May blitz, no?
May blitz ako.
I will Blackbeard.
Saan tayo? Saan tayo?
Huwag tayo dyan. Christmas tayo.
Christmas?
Christmas,
Lahat.
sige. What's a good one here?
Tapos doon tayo sa dining papasok.
Dine.
Ay, sorry. No. River Ducks pala. River Ducks.
River
Kaya
Ducks?
ba?
Okay.
Kaya,
River
kaya.
Ducks.
Yeah,
kaya,
sige.
kaya.
River Ducks.
5 seconds
Sorry.
before
Mali
insertion.
yung inisip ko.
Torn sa bar ah.
Proceed to bomb
Copy.
location
Let's
and
go.
defuse it.
Tsaka torn trap sa bar.
Let's go, baby.
Dito. Huwag dyan. Dito.
Okay, okay. I saw him.
Sige lang. Nakatingin ako sa stairs. Pasok ka.
Nice.
Torn
Shit.
done.
Sige, kaya niyan. Nakatingin pa rin ako sa stairs.
Andyan lang sa left. Andyan lang
I'm
sa
blowing this.
open ako.
Wait, ako na dyan.
Ooh, fuck.
Oh, shit.
Nakap ka na ako.
Ah! Wait. Tatago muna ako. Okay. You can revive me. Pa-revive?
Teka, ako na.
Just imagine how the crowd will cheer your name.
reconnecting again. Hopefully.
Hindi kaya.
Eh, puta.
Sa stairs! Fuck! Lesion 10 HP. Stairs. Mamatay na yan. Nice. Naka-return si Rafi. Sige. Huwag mo na sigurin, bro.
Loading new mag.
Kaya mo siya. Bakery meron na.
Alright.
Oo nga.
Pwede ka pumasok dyan, bro. Yan.
Oo, pero may nakabang na sa akin dito.
Sige. Ay, bukas pala yan.
Ah, shit. Wala.
Oh!
One friendly operator
Oh well.
Well, at least you got in.
Thanks. Yes. That is a very big win.
Ah, putang ina. Nandun lang
we
pala.
get to keep playing. Nag-weird yung siege for me, ah. Weird. That's different. Yippee-ki-yay! Armies.
Paano ba bilisan to? Skip waiting for
I'll do it. Don't worry. Don't leave, right? Wait.
Squad leader will do
I
it.
need to.
Den is the squad leader. Den is the squad leader, guys.
Oh god.
Ay, shit. Nag-leave squad ako.
No. Oh, fuck.
Oh,
okay.
that means I'm not the leader because
Oh,
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm the squad leader.
re-invites.
I'm gonna re-invite anyway.
Wait, why are you? I'm the squad leader. Why do you guys leave?
Sino nagsabi na
Emil,
si Dodging
Emil
squad
kasi
leader?
sinabi
Si
ako eh,
Emil,
napaas.
Si Emil.
They're good. No, 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 no. Alam ko na yung agenda. Emil wants to be the squad leader.
No, I'm not.
Oh, yeah,
No.
yeah, yeah,
Yep.
yeah.
Oh, fuck.
You want to be?
Well.
Sige, sige.
Okay. Okay.
Our fate is in your hands. Wait, si Dan na lang.
Inviting din.
Ipikaw.
Okay na ako eh. Wala na sa anong gagawin eh. Kundi sinabi sa akin eh.
Want more pizza?
Laser face, Durgan.
Let's see if there is such a thing in YouTube.
As Katarina Spy proof.
There is there is such a thing as Bayou Beats.
Bayou Beats. Let's do it.
Ayun.
Let's rock. Oh god.
It is.
that one.
Swamp Jazz.
Yes, sir.
Best
Yes,
playlist.
sir.
Oh my god.
That's
Alright.
what we're using next Bayou stream.
It's gonna work.
I started yung stream kanina, yung first 30 minutes. I kept going back to Bayou Rami. Oh
God.
my god. Hindi ko ma-shake yung accent.
You guys want to ban Cafe?
No, I like
Sige.
cafe.
Yeah, I know what, yeah.
You and... Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh no!
Okay lang.
Why?
Attack
Okay
on
lang.
Team.
Ah,
Attack
Yep,
on Team.
it's the new anime from
yun
Mappa
yung paborito
Studios.
kong anime.
From Mappa Studios.
Witcher, di ba?
Attack on Cafe.
Witcher.
A theme park. Fuck. I haven't watched the new one. I heard it's bad
watched
though. I heard it's so bad.
Ah,
It's worse than the others.
There's
Pero-
Oh no.
May ano sila, may
Last season ni Cavill.
may good spots naman. It's more of like wala siya sa ano. Wala siya sa level nung dalawa, yung first two
May
seasons.
ganun.
Nung una.
Ah,
Yeah.
Nung una. Grabe. Parang
Hindi, yung dalawa talaga. Like
ako hindi
kahit
ko
yung
masyadong
pangalawa.
yung pangalawa.
even then, mas angat pa rin yung pangalawa.
Oo.
Yung sa akin na.
Snooze fest yung puking yan ng dulong part nung season 2. Putang ina.
Mhm.
Oh fuck, baby, elves, baby, war.
Mhm.
Wait, di ba nasa
Yeah.
ano lang tayo? Nasa base lang tayo ng Witchers? Wait, ha?
Mhm.
Yeah, I hate season 2 for what they did dun sa isang character. Dan would know.
Ha?
Ang
Ano to?
ganda nun. Ang ganda nun.
What happened? Sorry, I was like searching something.
I don't know.
porn.
Nah, never mind.
No.
But it's better not
for
to know.
Yan eh for FMV.
Mm. PMV? What?
FMV.
FMV.
At kala ko PMV.
Actually, oo. Or so.
Yung mga ano, Yennefer scenes, tapos ang music
Three
Linkin
days
Park.
Yung mga Yennefer scenes tapos yung tugtog I Won't Say I'm in Love from the Hercules soundtrack.
Actually, hindi yan yung ano.
Okay, Evanescence.
Oh, Evanescence. Oh. Yung
Meron.
ano, wake up. Need to back up. Get back.
Tayo na-slap siya, kamputo. Wag niyo akong barilin! Fuck, sorry. It's
Not
hard
right.
not to be sensual when you're in a drone. I'm sorry, stream.
What's this guy
5
doing?
seconds to insertion.
What's that guy doing?
I mean,
Oh god, he's shooting.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go.
Shooting
Let's
the
go.
floor.
Location.
Tachanka's nasa arcade upstairs.
okay.
Dandan tayo sa baba.
Sige lang.
Oh shit.
Dito.
Let's go.
Oh,
My opponent detected outdoors, the nerd.
wow.
Pasok, pasok,
May
pasok.
may nasa stairs din.
Setting up my drone.
Ano kayo? Rush kayo.
Still there. He's still moving. Hinapoy na yung tasa. We cannot.
That warden, nice. Good shit. Good
Oh shit! Baba.
Oh my god.
Alright.
Tachanka.
Ako nung Tachanka.
Andun yung Tachanka sa baba.
Naglagay kasi siya dito.
On this one though.
Wait, we need to pick this up and wait.
Tachanka downstairs. Arcade stairs siguro.
Wait lang ah.
Ay, nasa loob
Ayun,
siya
pataas na yung Azami.
Patay, patay si
Pataas.
Azumi.
Azumi.
Oh, si Azumi.
Sa arcade
Get the
stairs,
zoomies.
Si Azula.
Yung yung
Ay,
case
gago!
nasa baba. Oh shit,
Yup.
that's the
Tachanka sa
Tachanka.
stairs, sa yellow stairs, Tachanka.
Which one's yellow?
Friendly pagbaba mo.
Sa yung ano,
Get the case.
katabi
if
ng
you can.
bakery. Patay na yung Capcan
User has been secured.
and yung Azami.
Akit na ulit.
Frost Tachanka na lang. Sige, taas
Last
kayo, taas
wing.
kayo. Nandyan, Rafi. Yung sa stairs dyan. Sa
Okay.
left. Butas yan. Sige, walang tao
Butas
dyan.
din eh.
Nandyan siya. Si Tachanka. Yan.
Saan pa rin? Sa loob na ata.
Oo. Bumalik na. Ayun.
Op 4
Nice
last
one.
Nice.
Si Frost na lang. Di ko alam kung nasan.
Di,
Most probably
that-
nasa B.
first.
Frost na lang natitira.
Wait.
Ito na lang.
Ingat ah. Nice.
Andun nga, no? Nasa B.
Instincts!
Sa loob. Yeah.
Nagulat dun sa ace mo.
Yeah. That's the idea.
Wow. Oh yeah.
Diba?
Totally spy.
Hindi namin kailangan mag-uusap. Totally spies.
Mga Katarina moves talaga niyan eh.
Spy moves.
Arena, dude. Ano yun eh. 4-4-4-4-4.
Pwede ka pala maglimin.
I miss 4-4-4-4-4. Warang na lang kaya ako.
Mainis ka lang.
Mas stance siya, bro.
Ganun.
Pero if magets mo yung stance, you're in for a treat. You can win by mix-up.
Need to use your drone to locate a
Oh.
bomb.
Like, kahit wala kang combo, mix-up alone can win. Kung bobo yung kalaban mo. The ultimate knowledge check.
Nanalo na yung Evo Tekken lately. For the
Si
past
ano?
5 years.
Ni? It's either Ni or Arslan.
Located a bomb.
Pero malakas Pakistan talaga.
Pakistan.
Dude, tapos pag nakita mo where they train, it's just like super jank stuff. Like super jank, like
Yeah.
rentahan.
Mhm.
As in, hindi,
PC-han.
hindi buong mga PC, mga arcade machines na nakalabas yung circuit
5
boards, ganun.
seconds before insertion.
I watched like a whole documentary of it. Ba't ang lakas nila?
You found a bomb. Make your way to its
Let's
location.
go, let's do it again.
Alright, let's wrap.
Ingat, boys.
You think they're gonna do it again?
Here. Tignan mo, lalabas ulit.
Kayo dyan? Okay.
Yep.
Walang tao dito.
I'm in.
I'm in.
Ito yung bake. I can open.
Oh puta. Oh fuck.
Oh.
Azami in break room. Shit. Nice. Nice
Gago,
recovery.
tumalbog.
Tangin mo, Warden!
Corridor, ah. Near yellow stairs. Ingat.
Good idea. Sige.
Sa baba ng throne meron na. Ingat.
Pero tagustuhan lang din ako.
Stairs.
Ay, hindi ko nakuha.
What
Ay,
the
dun.
fuck?
Hindi nag-register
Ay,
yung...
bubo ko.
Fuck!
Hindi nag-register yung blind for some reason.
Alright, I'm taking off my glasses.
Whoa! Don't.
Foggy.
Your head will explode.
Time
Whoa.
Rafi, you only got 2 minutes till your head explodes.
Hmm.
Mm.
They're gonna Throne this time.
Uh-uh.
What's a good for Throne? Floor is a good idea.
Zero.
Yeah, I'll go 0.
Magkaali kayo para walang silbi.
Oh,
Ay,
wala tayong hard
We need.
breach.
Hindi, ako na.
I got the can openers. It's okay.
Okay. Okay.
We need a bigger one now.
The ultimate solo queue ranked man. 0.
Nice lang. Gotta be Throne. Negative Throne.
Bunks. Baka bunks. Yeah.
Baka second floor too.
Yep.
Drone has located a bomb.
Okay, if it's second floor too, I am just gonna go to caves.
Oh. Someone's gonna be in
10
barrels.
seconds to insertion.
Oh, may pulse na sila. Ingat ah. Fuck. Oh, they
Alright,
didn't see me.
battles. May spawn pick ata. Battles. Ingat.
Yep.
You found a bomb.
Nasa battles pa rin,
Location and defuse it.
Still there. I'm gonna check. He's still there. Ito, ping 3. Right there, ping 3. Ako ata matatamaan na ito. Iwasan ko na lang ba? Ping 3 pa rin. Yep, ping 3 pa rin. Ping 3 mismo. Umalis na. Pumasok sa throne. Nag-rotate na ng throne. Alis na yun. Tara, palis mo na.
Nice.
Patay.
Is that the pulse?
Parang frost.
Targets in place.
Meron dito ah.
Wow, okay. May nasa ano? May nasa... bakery. Ano ba to?
Ba't
Cafe.
di ko magamit yung...
Jam ready.
Oh, wala na.
Are you guys in barrels yet?
Not yet.
Who is shooting?
Dito. Meron na. Number 4. Nakaabang lang dito.
Meron.
I'm watching.
Sa ilalim lang yun. Sa ilalim nang gagaling yung mga barrel pulse.
I'm gonna call for you boys.
Mag-
Tatawagan
Wait, Rafi. Meron dyan. May nakaabang dyan ah.
okay.
Dang it.
Sorry.
Got him. I got him.
Jaeger Arcade. Jaeger Yellow Stairs.
Diffuser has been secured.
Nali. Okay.
Fuck. Spattered this can.
May Yellow Stairs na Jaeger ah. Sa left mo, Jury.
Pabutas naman oh, Jury.
You can't hide.
Nandito. Yeah, pipik sa'yo sa door na yan. Seagull. Nice.
Operator standing.
Pasok.
Ayun, sa butas, sa wall.
Sa inyo ata A.
Butas wall, Bray. Sa
Butas
likod ng
wall.
bomb. Sa likod ng bomb. Ayan, oh. Doon nandun siya, oh.
Yan.
Okay, pasok na. Pasok. John,
Yeah, gotcha.
ayun,
Pinch mo, Jancy.
nasa left.
Stairs.
Pasok ko na rin.
There's?
Dude, plant mo na.
Mag-isa
Plant mo
ka.
na. Plant mo na.
Plant mo na.
Plant mo na. Ako na bahala dito.
Ayan.
Diffuser is active.
Good,
Protected
good.
at all costs.
I'm hearing rotate to A. And
Rotate.
then.
Oh, fuck.
Right, ayan.
Well,
Good call. Good call on the
Sorry,
rotate.
Bray, wala. Nagkakalituhan.
nice.
Good call on the rotate.
Parang mali. Alrighty, this one.
Parang gusto ko mag-echo na lang.
Go.
Si Jericho Rosales. The crowd.
Oh no.
That way. I'll see.
Protect the bombs.
Placing proximity.
Be advised, a bomb location has been compromised.
Proximity alarm
Yes
deployed.
nga. Galing dito. Interesting.
Got him.
Changing mag.
Isang galing dito.
10 seconds to insertion.
Try something new with this one.
Down to 5 seconds.
Gago, wala na ganun na ito.
Op 4 has located a bomb.
Meron ba ako sa arcade? I don't remember. Meron na.
Boss ko na yung, ano na, boss ko na yung, knock nila.
Ay.
Ay, puta!
Saan yun?
Ah!
Saan?
Throne.
Just us.
Iana.
Throne?
Throne, Iana.
They're in battles.
Ano, pasok na sa ano. Boom. Ayun, Seagull.
Got him.
Yan.
Reloading.
Bitch.
Nice refrag.
They're in barrels?
I saw one in barrels.
Oh.
Fuck.
Wala.
Atras ka lang, atras ka lang.
Oh shit.
Oo.
Balik na ako.
Saan yun? Saan yun?
Nasa, ano, Dragon Stairs. Papunta sa,
Yan ang sugurin.
Balik
dito.
na ako.
Number 4.
Ayun. Naka. Baka nasa ibang site, nasa isang
Papuntang
site.
B-site ah. Papuntang B-site.
Oo. B-site. B-site. Yan.
That's a blitz.
Pa, may
Nice.
isa pa doon.
Ano pa isa? Blitz pa yan.
Ano ba yung nandaan? Wala nandaan.
Ingat bro ah. Baka nandyan lang.
One op 4
Nice.
remaining.
Blitz?
Yan,
Nasa
isa pa, Bri.
blitz?
Pasok ka na, Bri. Pasok ka. Right side mo.
Ito yung blitz mismo sa akin.
Right
Tabi ko?
pa. Right pa.
Uy, gago! Ito
Ayun,
na,
sa
ito
labas
na.
na.
Gago, nagpanic ako.
Oh, papunta A. Papunta A.
Nagpanic ako.
Nasa kabilang side.
Nice
Nice.
one.
Victorious. Hostiles eliminated.
Sinistok ni Bri yun, puta na.
Ha, I am the hunter!
Ay!
I am the hunter!
Hunter!
Ganda talaga ng Valorant.
Maganda ang bala.
Galing ng Valorant.
Found them.
Valorant is the perfect tactical shooter.
Mhm.
Found them.
Nasusuka ako habang sinasabi.
I'm gonna mirror.
It's so tactic.
Yun yung favorite ko pag nag-aim ka ng crosshair tas may chance na hindi. Kung sa may...
Yung first bullet.
So
hindi 100%
realistic.
accurate,
So
diba?
real. It's too real.
Bagay.
If it's too real, I can dash. Let me jet dash to your house. Top draft.
Tao yun, lalate ako no isang araw dun sa pupuntahan ko eh. Kasi may Viper wall.
Nag-neon run na nga lang ako para umabot lang.
Na?
Nakaharang na Viper wall. Hassle yun. Ay, sorry, troops. Ano pala ako?
Sorry, tropes.
Ano pala ako? Mute. Jam yun ang importante for me.
Pick it up!
Fuck, ano yun?
10 seconds. 5
Okay.
seconds left. Bomb location compromised.
Mababa yun.
Bomb
Good.
located by Op 4.
Bigger to the move.
Diyan ka, Emil. Okay.
Mhm.
Lurking
Mhm.
carry ako.
Meron dito. Dito yata. Sa Dragon na yata sila.
Barrels.
I'm watching the dragon door.
Ay, barrel?
Ah, gago! Meron
Somewhere.
na sa Dragon, man. Wala.
Ah,
Iana.
sa...
Sino kumuha ng... Oh. Shit,
Kita nila
ay,
yung mira
legit,
mo.
legit.
Walang nagbanta
Fuck.
ng Dragon.
Wala.
Shit.
Na-flash pa nga ako eh.
Oo.
Someone exposed you.
Oh
Walang
shit.
Hindi naka-ano yung dragon. Bukas lang yung dragon. It's ano yan, clown.
Kikita ka dyan, John Seagull ah. Oh.
Your location has been
What?
compromised.
Oh, dun sa main door. Kita ka.
Ayun.
Shit.
Shit.
I fucked that up.
Sayang, ako na yun.
Fucked up.
Low na yung Iana na yun. I shot her a bunch.
I have been
Go on.
identified.
Shh, wait lang. Nakakita ako ng jackal. Jackal ako.
Nandito.
Not gonna pick that. Or am I?
The fuck?
Trying.
Ayun na, dito na sila. Yung faint ka.
Got him.
Wait, nice.
Sige, si
May-
Emil na
Sa
bahala
labas
ka.
pa rin silang dragon ah.
Yeah.
Saan ka, Brian?
Malis. Ah. Ito pa rin. Dragon pa rin.
Tabog na.
That's bad.
Crouch lang, Brian.
Bukas na.
I'm pinned.
Sige lang. Sige lang.
I'm
Slowly
gonna
lang,
go
Brian.
somewhere else. May nasa labas pa rin ah, ng door. Irinig.
Okay.
Si Brian nandun eh.
Oy! Watch door na lang.
Sige.
Oo. Kasi pinned ako eh. Lipat ako.
Sige. Oh. Shit.
Sige, check
Kita
mo.
ko. I got hit na.
Oh my god!
Yan,
Nice.
Okay, isa pa. Left, Brian. Yan.
One friendly
Up.
operator remaining.
Nice one.
Nice.
Oh, oh,
They're in.
pero wala
Diyan
sa,
na.
nasa iyo, Brian, yung bomba sa harap ng dragon.
Yup. Wait lang.
15 seconds.
Nandyan, Jackal. Oh, dragon na. Mayroon nasa dragon.
Nakuha na.
5 seconds left.
Ay po ba nila mag-plant?
Oo.
Ah.
Yan.
Planting.
Op 4 has placed the diffuser near a bomb.
Empty.
Sana di mo na iniiwan pala.
Mission failed. All friendlies have been neutralized.
Hindi nakasil yung door na yun.
Oo.
Doon napitas si Den.
Doon no. Oh, isa pa doon.
Isa pa nga.
Sige.
Mali rin yung ano. Mali rin yung mute. Ay, yung ano ko. Dami ko na signal disrupt. Mali yung CF.
X na lang talaga yung pangalan ng Twitter. Check na ba yung phone nyo?
Hindi ako pwede ba hindi mag-mira?
Pwede naman.
Ganun.
Sige, mag-frost ako.
Twitter pa rin yung sa akin.
Twitter pa rin sa akin.
Sa akin Twitter, pero X na yung icon. Which is stupid.
Aking Twitter yung icon. Or ibon yung icon, X yung name.
Ah, wait. What?
Bobo talaga ni
Protect the
Elon.
bombs. Op 4 located a bomb. Protect it.
That works. Sige.
Ano nasa likod na ito?
Down to 10 seconds.
Sarado natin yung pinto ah.
Sarado nyo na.
Down to 5 seconds.
Ayan.
Bomb located by Op 4.
Binuksan ko lang yung ilalim ng konti ng door para makasilip ako.
Sige lang. Meron dyan, jury ah.
Saan?
Sa may dragon side pa rin.
Dragon side?
Meron sa bubong ko. Dito sila mag-exec ah.
Ay.
Oh,
Nice. Love to see it.
Ay! Ako na dito, Clarissa.
Sige. I'll be on the door then.
Yeah, yes, bilis. Papunta yung door.
Sige.
Uy,
Weird.
anong nangyari sa kanila?
May nag-quit.
Wow. I just gave up.
Dalawang nag-quit.
Dalawa nag-quit.
Ayan.
Away sila.
Ko kasi. Ang pungit na kaya na mo eh.
Ano to?
What to do now? Oh, main? They went main?
Nope, hindi ko nagdo-drone.
Okay.
Doon pa rin yata sa side na to, I think.
Okay. Oops. Parang may nagbubukas.
Si Emil na. Si Emil lang ano niya.
Ikaw ba yun?
Si Emil yun.
I've been trying
Ayun na, ayun na.
out Rafi.
Oh,
Nice.
patay.
Nice cross.
Hanap na frostmat.
Nasa dragon.
Oh. Ayun, shit. I'm dead.
Nasa
Dragon stairs na.
Taas.
Oh, taas na. Balcony. Dito.
Okay.
Nakadungan. Number 4.
Ba't hindi nasusunog yung mga barricades, no?
Mm-mm.
Oh, ano?
Diba yan? Ano yan? Hard deflex?
Hard
Hindi
deflex.
yan. Oh, kaya hindi na susunod.
Ano yan eh? Rain or shine.
Diyan lang siya. Hard right.
Doink.
Oh my god.
Nagtatago.
Interesting. Hindi na siya nag...
Oh! Ay, sana tinignan mo lang.
Oo. Nag-over, na ganyan.
Nag-over na ba ako? Eh.
Over the top rope.
Kung fu shit in.
Hmm.
Good shit. I am the hunter.
Last one ba?
Last one.
Sige. Last one.
Sige. Walang Yossi break kasi walang Yossi.
Sino si Re-replay? Si Ash. Putang ina, si Ash na naman. Lahat na lang ang puta.
Kaya nga.
Bigyan naman nila sa iba.
Oo nga, tulad ni Valk.
Oo nga.
Oh, that's actually a good choice.
Valk is interesting.
Doon na siya.
Back strong.
Oo eh.
Ash kasi madali gamitin to, so maraming gumagamit nito. Kasi
Oo.
bilis siya, sumasabog, ganda ng baril na. Sa akin natin lagay lahat. Parang si Lux ng League of Legends.
Oh, for me, dapat si Kali. She already has the gun.
True. Oo.
Important
Oo.
is the biceps.
Oo nga no, Kali. Oo.
It's the same group.
She has Rhea Ripley vibes.
So Dominic Mysterio skin.
Ace. But Oregon? Ayun, Oregon.
Nice lang.
Cafe.
Cafe.
Sawa na ako sa Oregon eh.
No,
Oh,
fuck.
okay.
I thought you're
Isa
I
pa
thought
tayo.
you're summoning Oregon.
No.
To become a
Kalabaha.
spy.
Pag hindi
Who
sila
can we-
nag-thatcher, huwag tayo mag-
Who do we ban kaya?
Ooh. Huwag tayo mag-thatcher. Osa?
Pwede. Sige. You think they'll use it?
I don't know. Imagine
Oh,
si
Ace. What?
Sino kaya dito?
Cade ako, pero kayo.
Sige, Cade. Para maiba
Makakuha
naman.
tayo- Para makakuha tayo ng attack.
Sila na magbaban ng ano,
Sige.
Clash.
Ay, sorry. Attack kasi tayo una eh. Sorry.
Hmm.
Grabe kayo.
Bakit?
Wala kayong pakundangan kay Den.
Ako, hindi ako.
Gamitin niya
Hindi
si
naman ako
Valk.
Cade.
Ako rin.
Ako yung Cade, guys.
Si
Ako,
Emil lang Cade.
ako yung Cade dito.
sa keyboard niya.
Lash Rock.
Uy, Dash Rock, Dota.
Lash Rock.
Wait, you borrowed Kazu's keyboard?
Kinuha ni Kazu yung keyboard.
What?
He did
I
repairs
wish
on
I
it
was
though.
dying.
Also, like, weren't
Yeah.
you supposed to play basketball with some of them or something?
Hindi ko pa naayos.
Ah,
Hindi pa.
nasira.
Mababa masyado.
I haven't gotten it together yet.
Also, is your knee okay na ba? Or hindi pa? Or ankle ba din?
Locate a
It's
bomb.
ankle.
Pwede na pang rank yung name mo.
Pwede na yung pwede mo pang interbarangay yung no?
Quick play pa lang.
Quick play pa lang.
Pang half courtan lang ba?
Spike rush lang muna.
Na-clash? Oh no.
Yak, my clash. Yak.
Oh my god, my clash nga. That's a good idea with this clash.
May clash. Ibig sabihin walang IQ yung kalaban. Right click lang. I see.
Capital.
10 seconds to insertion.
Kaya yan.
Scan them like groceries.
5
Yes.
seconds to go.
Tang ina.
any
Merong
catch?
echo.
That sure.
Parking
Yes,
parking.
sabihin.
Garage meron.
Make your way
Garage
to its
meron.
location and defuse it.
Iki-claymore ko naman. No one does that peek anymore, no?
Oh, nandito yun, oh. Wait lang, ah. Iyan ako.
Bang.
Okay lang dyan.
Tayin ko.
Yeah.
Ah, wait.
Harry Potter pa rin. Ando pa rin siya.
Wait lang.
Ando pa rin. Ito. Gumalaw. Nandito na banda. Up. Hindi. Bumalik na katabi
Hindi
na
ako nakalain,
ng
sorry.
garage.
Fuck.
Ay, pressurein ko rin.
Nasa garage pa rin ba?
Nasa garage. Can't find him.
Saan sa garage?
I can't find him. Ito.
Teka.
Wall bang this! Wall bang 2! Right here!
Layo.
Ito. Wall bang this! 2 right here. Kanan mo. Ito mismo.
What?
Wait lang. Right side, right? Nice.
Ay, meron pa isa sa taas. Ayun,
I got
patay.
yung taas.
Patay na clash.
Ay.
Okay, we good.
Oh, wait lang.
Echo and clash down.
Hindi ba nasisira to? Ay putang ina.
Yaman na,
Pinreal shit
yaman na.
pala yan.
Red stairs
Got
down.
Got red.
Spotted by scan.
Oh.
Ayun.
Nice. Good distract.
Where's the fucking stairs there?
Wala silang
You got him?
Wala silang rotate.
Eh, doon ka na, Rafi.
Okay. Planting. Covered.
Plant
What
na.
the fuck? Di ko
Dead.
Huwag ka nang pakita. Eagle.
Dito lang katabi ko.
User is active. Protected at all costs.
Oh, fuck.
They're moving in.
Meron na.
They're moving up.
I'm running.
Dalawa lang sila dun sa cache. Nasa cache lang sila.
I'm just scanning him.
Okay.
I'm just scanning him. He's on site now. On site.
Nice.
Tangina, mafe-fear pa ako.
Friendly mission successful.
Ay, hindi na nagre-release ng smoke pag patay na yung Fenrir.
Oo, wala na. Sino magre-release? Patay na siya.
Akala
Tsaka
ko-
banned yung Fenrir.
Wait, ano yun?
Ano yun? Nandito,
Ano yung triangle shit?
Multo ko. Tol, wag ko. Dasal na lang tayo, tol. Multo yun.
That's a Berusi.
Melusi.
Melusi.
Hindi yun fear.
Mhm.
Slow
Like-
lang siya.
Masisira mo lang yun kapag linapitan mo at bumuka siya.
Okay.
Parang Fenrir.
Takot ako eh. Binabaril ko. Shit.
The real Fenrir
Mas real
gadget.
Fenrir.
Multo yun, tol. Dasal na lang tayo, tol.
Multo naman din yun. Sound nga lang. Puro ganun lang.
Use your drone to
Nananakot lang.
Oo.
Nananakot lang.
Wala talaga siya eh.
Oh, man.
Mas lang talaga siya.
Sana may ganong gadget, no?
Meron
Parang
din.
may...
Drone has
Ayun na.
Nandun ulit, ah.
garage.
Tol.
Sana may ano, may
Nakatayo
gadget
lang yun.
na... Sana may gadget na pag nasa vicinity parang... Psst, gaganon lang.
Pang loko lang, pang gago lang, bubukas lang. Walang
Mga
ginagawa
ganun.
talaga.
Di, as in mag... Psst, psst, mga ganun lang. That's fine.
Ang ina sa
Naninit.
visit.
Naninit.
Visit lang. Ang kupal.
10
Oh,
seconds.
no, they know.
Sarado na nila yung garahe.
Di, tapos dapat
Ah.
indestructible.
Yeah,
Hindi
yeah.
mo pwedeng sirain at all.
Pero
Pero like,
masira nung ano,
footsteps.
masira nung ganito.
sige.
Yung mga echo drones puro nasa ano ah.
Kita ako.
And defuse it.
Sige.
Buksan ko yun. Buksan ko yung garage.
Yeah, ako rin.
Ako na.
I'll get it.
Meron ka nun? Sige.
Bubukas ako ng CCTV.
Sige.
Yung
Oh.
CCTV main bridge. Paano, Emil?
CC
Yep.
Akali to.
main bridge.
Wait lang.
We're good.
Yo! Wala. I thought we were gonna.
Saan yun?
Ooh!
Gago.
Frost.
Tapos-
Umakit naman si Kala ko papalagtas.
May nilagay ako camera dun sa thing.
Buksan na nga natin to.
Nasaan yung spike?
Sa akin. Diyan ka.
Ito, ikaw na? Sige, ikaw na. Ikaw na.
Frost. Nasa garage.
Plant it if you can.
Nasa red ako.
Negative, hindi ako makaplant. I shouldn't really... Ah, bukas na! Shit, nice.
Basta, may nasa loob na ako.
Sorry.
Kanina pa bukas.
Teka, magkano ako?
We're doing something else.
Ay!
Red
Shit.
cut. Oy! Granada!
Well,
Raptors
the
pa rin,
Renat.
Raptors. Raptors, meron.
Yep, it's Frost.
Argus deployed.
I got the Frost.
Diffuser has been
Rafters isa. Dito. Rotate ng Rafters. Ito, ping 2.
Ah, fuck. Oh, I'm dead.
Nandyan. Uy!
Ah.
Ano mo?
Rinig
Aruni,
ko.
10 HP. Aruni,
Damn
10 HP Raptors.
Red na. Aruni red. Wala nakabantay sa spike.
Oo.
There's an echo here na Aruni peeking sa window.
Sige, mamatay na yan. Down.
Isa pa.
Down
Peeking
yun.
through the window again. It's echo.
Sige, diretso mo na.
Nandito lang. Ping 2.
Yung bomb wala sa nakuha mo na ba?
Sige, isa na lang yan.
Magpipick up siya. Nice.
Oh no!
Ah.
Sayang.
eliminated.
Tangat.
Dapat hindi
Fucking
kayo-
used.
Dapat hindi
Nanginig pa siya.
Used bait. Bad trip. I guess they got it.
Chipping duck ako.
Sayang. Patay mo agad yun.
Nag-ano ulit ako. Sa termite ako.
Sige.
Para may-
I can touch her.
No.
I can touch her.
Ah,
Or excessive
pero
na.
kasi
May,
wag na,
may kali na yun.
may kali na eh.
Oo nga.
Huwag ka na rin mag-ace. Sa termite na ako eh.
Quit na lang kaya ako.
Puta, wala halong
Napiko
pinalaro
lang,
ako.
puta.
Huwag ka na mag-siege. May ano na eh.
Hindi kasi... Okay, sige. Ikaw, mag-ace ka. Lakihan mo yung butas ha. Medyo...
Wait. Gym ba?
I bet. Actually, hindi ko alam. Sige pa, spot.
No.
Oo, gym.
Does anyone really like these types of urinals? Yung squat ones?
The Japanese.
I don't.
They like it? Like,
Yung
like
ano?
prefer it?
Oo.
Some
Kaysa
people-
kasi umakyat ka pa eh. Baba, as in yuko ka na lang eh.
Yung ano ulit?
Not
Yung mga
sure.
urinal.
Ah.
Plus, like that squatting position actually opens up your butthole.
Oo eh.
Yeah. Just buy a squatty potty.
That is a squatty potty.
Oo nga.
Dude.
It's a
Yeah.
free squatty potty. Sa'yo na to.
Oo, it's... oh.
Bukas. Naka-mute.
Ako na.
Hindi. Itanggalin mo na.
Bigger
Tanggalin mo
one.
na yung ano mo.
Wait. Okay.
It's open, isn't it?
Yeah,
Okay.
just do
It's
it.
open.
Just do it.
I'm out of here.
I'm spotted by scan. What the fuck? How am I spotted by scan? That.
Nice.
Putang ina.
Yeah. I've been downstairs though, but I have the spike.
Patayin ko sa ano eh.
Get it na.
Meron pa. Flashing. Gago!
Anyone peeking this with me?
Oh shit!
You have located a bomb.
I'm dead. Nasa
Pero
Ah,
may ace yung
sa entrance.
bulletproof cam.
Yung?
Bulletproof
Hindi.
cam.
It doesn't work.
No.
Ah, hindi. Okay.
Shit, kita ako.
Sige, pwede mong silipin. Huwag ka dyan sa kaliwa. Huwag ka dyan sa kanan, sa kaliwa.
I'm getting seen. Big seen. Kita mo na ako.
Oh!
Tangina, may turn pa nga.
Di ka kita sa kaliwa ah. Yan, dyan sa side na yan. 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 Ayun oh.
Wow, that's the fucking...
Nasa stairs, Rafi ah.
Nasa stairs, yeah.
Hindi ko alam na pwede pala.
Emil. Sige pa.
Yeah.
Yan. Nice one.
Nice.
Okay. Can you, may pangkali ka ba?
Oo.
Pakali yung camera. Sa right side. Ayan oh. Yan. There we go. Wala nang camera, Raf. Pwede ka nang
Camera.
Yun.
Nice
Nice.
one. There we go. And then last one na lang. Pwede kayo pumasok.
Gym ba?
Ah,
You have clear sa gym?
Pwede kayo pumasok na gym.
Yep.
Alright.
Oh.
Ah, fuck!
Down to one friendly.
Oh no.
This might not be good. Well, there's holes everywhere.
Ayan. Sige, sige.
Laban na lang.
Laban.
Nag-oyo ako.
15 seconds.
Oh! Nice try.
Cover the diffuser.
Ilan bawas?
All friendlies
Ilan na
have
lang?
been eliminated.
Laki pa.
Laki pa.
Na-miss ko
Sayang,
yun.
sayang.
At saka naping ako ng bulletproof sa floor. Sayang yun.
CCTV.
CCTV.
It's data, baby.
CCTVs.
Default. Been a while.
Wala tayong... Sige, ako na yung bandit.
Sakit ng palakpak.
Ba't di ka nag-ano dito, Bray? Valkyrie.
Kung ano.
Oo. Kasi pwede mong gawin.
Gas.
Alam, yung main, ano, di ba? Yung main CC. Yung main breach. Sa ano nang ay, putan.
Ah!
Putang
What the
ina,
fuck?
Dito.
CC.
Oh, patay nandito.
Akala ko ba?
Yun na.
Akala
Akala ko rin.
Akala ko ba
Akala ko rin CC eh.
CCTV?
Ako rin eh.
Hindi, pero...
Okay lang guys. Mas okay daw to.
Op 4 located a bomb.
God has given us the correct site.
Balik na pala ako dito.
Seconds. Down to 5 seconds.
Wala pa nagbubutas nito ah.
Gago.
Op 4 has located a bomb. Get ready to engage.
Wala nga palang shade mo.
Jammer initiated.
Ready.
Nice.
Ah, one.
Alright. They're upstairs. Yep. They're trying ano. Ah, fuck. It's an Iana.
Nice.
Try to nade me out. They weren't successful. Office ni Papa stairs hatch, sorry. You're not going down yet.
Gym window.
Oh,
Bray, itong
Meron?
ping 1.
bigla may butas na dito. What the fuck? May
Yeah.
butas?
Ping
Eh.
1 cell mo. Isabi ko meron ka, Bray.
Ah,
Hmm.
maaabot. Wait lang, sisirain ko ah. Try ko.
Hindi, wag mo
Ping
sirain. Dito. Ito. Ping 1. Mag nitrocell ka sa taas.
Oh.
Nilagay mo na? Wait lang.
Ay, gago. Sorry.
Oh shit, dalawa yan ha.
Sabi ko, lagay mo pa lang eh.
Balik.
Bawas na yung fuse, Emil.
Yeah.
Pero dalawa yan.
Ito, then, sorry.
Hindi, nakatingin ako eh. May tao nga.
Meron CCTV ha. Dalawa
Pwede ka
CCTV.
ma-exit ng construction.
One more.
Wait, hindi ka na
hibana
pwedeng
na lang.
ma-exit ng construction.
Instruction meron.
May nasa window na. Sa Niana. May nasa side pa sa atin.
Ako.
Sige.
Sige, bantay ko yung both sides. Sige lang.
Sige.
One op
Nice. That's CCTV.
Iyan yun, hindi.
Nope.
Peek CCTV window.
Ito na, iyan na. Sa
Clown.
window lang. Either gym or bedroom window.
Nandun.
Oh, Jesus.
Nice.
Lumabas
Ah,
sila
located. Mission
wala,
successful.
walang magagawa yun.
Gago extra talaga yung Twitter. Wala na yung ibon din.
Uwe.
Is
Nah.
that relevant to us?
Wala lang. Ulit lang.
Okay.
I have Twitter.
Ay, tangina X na nga. Pero
I
Twitter.com.
had Twitter.
You had,
But like,
I know you
oo.
had one. Yeah.
Oo. Tapos nung pagtanggal ko parang wala naman nagbago sa buhay ko.
It's
Ano
true.
yun?
Just saying, bro. Just saying.
Hindi. I'm actually like
It's okay.
asking kung meron is that relevant to IP? To brand new company din?
Baka hindi. Baka not
Hindi, no?
enough for us.
Hindi na no? Hindi, we're not gonna go in the
Hindi.
Twitter ano na.
Meron pero I don't know. It's not a big deal.
It's
It'll
not a
be
big thing
more
for-
relevant in for Heyu.
Sa Heyu,
Mhm.
yun. That one. Pero for IP siguro hindi na.
Google
For-
Plus.
Pero for small streamers, hindi ko siya.
Found a bomb.
Hindi crouch.
Yuri, wag! Yuri, wag!
Ay!
Mali ako. Tanga.
Wait. Garage.
Baliktad pala, Bray.
Insertion.
Baliktad.
Ay,
Dapat
okay.
yung left ang naka-reinforce.
MB.
Op 4 has located a bomb.
Jammer initiated.
Tangina, may mute na.
Mali ako na ginawa. Crouch mid ako. Hindi ako nag-crouch to do it. Fucking shit. Bakit?
Ayun na. Garage. You're coming in garage.
Okay.
Naka-reinforce yung rotate.
Oo.
Ay, may Maverick ah. May nagba-Maverick. Sige lang. Tanggal na yung bandits natin. Open si Papa.
What is he maving?
Wala na yung bandit. Sira na.
Meron. Uy, ina muntik. Nandyan, Emila. Ingat
I got the
lang.
maver.
Iyana.
Iyana sa ano?
May
Iyana
bedroom.
sa bedroom.
Dalawa ang bedroom. Isang
Okay.
Doke, isang Iyana.
Packet na guys.
Cut na ako.
Iyan at bar.
Ano
Going
Bakit
lobby.
yun nasira? Gago na.
They might have CC na rin. Yan.
You got CC na.
Easy.
I mean, the cameras.
Yeah, bedroom. Bedroom Iyana.
Nice.
Isa pa bedroom. Isa pang bedroom. Isa pang
Raptors.
bedroom. It's Doki.
Garage. Tangina, biyaba.
Fucker!
Ooh.
Mission failed.
Damn it.
All friendlies have been neutralized.
Alam niya na nandun ako. Dati na ako. I should have lulled her.
Fuck. Nalito ko doon sa
Lakas ng
camera.
Twice na ako namatay sa Doki. This whole sesh. Lakas ng ano niya. Lakas ng
Dude,
DMR.
that's the guy.
CC
That's the guy
church.
from
Church time?
church. Sige.
Sige, Church. Pwedeng sumama sa labas. Ilan ng outside?
Sa labas ako, oil pit ako eh.
I can anchor Mira.
Sige. Takit ako. Third floor ako.
Oil pit and blue ako.
Sige.
Just
I'll guard
echo.
kitchen.
I will just echo.
Pero balik na lang ako pag...
Protect the bombs.
Classic echo line.
Op 4 located a bomb. Protect it.
I'll keep kitchen close.
Down to 10 seconds. 5 seconds and counting.
Did anyone get hatch?
Op 4 has located a bomb.
Or is that me? Alright, I'll get it. Yep, that's me. They're outside na agad. Yep, they're in.
Yes.
Bilis nila.
Outside what?
Outside yung kitchen.
Hindi pwede bawiin yung Mera, no? Hindi tulad dati.
Hindi.
Hindi.
Pwedeng bawiin yan dati.
Yeah, dude.
Ay, hindi na lang. Yeah, Mira just goes, ay, hindi na lang pala. Sige.
Yeah, it's true.
They're... I
Uh,
think they're,
Dito, number 4. They're gonna go
I
to
think they're dirt. Dirt ba?
dirt ba?
Oh.
Naligo ko na yung hatch nag-open dito eh. Sa number 4. Sa tools ba yun or
They're
something?
droning dirt.
Okay. And then dirt it is.
At least I kept the hash closed.
I could check dirt. Ayun na. Dirt nga.
Dirt nga.
Ah, wait. No. Dito.
Saan?
Blue.
Dito na. Blue.
May blue may blue.
Blue?
John Seagal.
Ah, yeah.
Yan.
Alright.
Yan. Merong blue. KB.
Puta. Wow, low toucher dirt.
Sure.
Bitch.
Flanking blue.
Fuck, what the? Ay, shit. Sino yun?
Uy, pre. Ayun, bumaba na. Blue pa rin. Blue. Chill.
May nandito.
Dito
Yeah.
ping 3. He's planting.
Dito.
I'm gonna get him.
Try.
Nice one.
Fuck,
May
yung
nandito
Bravo
kasi.
ba yung nag-echo? Ito.
Oo.
Hmm.
Ngayon hindi na
He
pwede.
stole one of my echoes.
Nice
Ganun.
one.
Shit.
Mission successful.
Holy ghost.
Yeah,
Fuck.
the Brava stole one of my echoes.
I almost gonna blame you, Abby.
No, it wasn't me.
Yung una ako
Thought
yung
you-
tinotroll niya eh. Putang ina.
Pinabaril ko siya kanina ng echo eh. Pero
Ang ina, nakatutok na yung baril ko eh.
Okay. One exit. Chance. Oh, if you guys are doing... Jeez.
I could go a different route, to be honest. I can support the hard breach for this one, for this round.
Okay, sige na nga. Ako.
Need to use your drone
Lakas
to
na
locate
yun.
a bomb.
Hilig sila dun sa ano eh. Mahilig sila
I
dun
find it
sa...
hard kasi to like enter a site kapag yung ace ano lang eh.
Kaya na naman.
Ace breach.
Oh,
Skip.
puta garage sila lahat.
Gusto mo mag-thermite ako?
Okay
Meet sa
ka
red.
with thermite?
Meet sa red.
Lahat sila
Okay,
nasa garage
Okay,
siya.
you with thermite? Okay. Sige.
Ah, okay ako. Yeah, go.
Sige, go.
Go.
10 seconds.
Glad si, ano?
5 seconds.
Ako.
Yes.
A bomb must be located and defused.
Oo nga, no, may Thatcher.
Yeah.
May Claymore ba?
Wala.
Naka-ano pa rin.
Wait lang. Get out of the way. Get out of the
Thatcher.
way.
Wait, Thatcher na.
Go.
Ouch.
Ba't sa gitna?
Oo nga.
You located a bomb.
Para pantay.
Sana left, para sana left, right.
Oo nga eh.
Oo, para bukas na
sige.
bukas.
Ow.
Nice one.
Good, good,
Sige,
good.
pasok, pasok.
Hmm?
Nakabantay
Pasok
ako.
tayo.
Go, 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 go. Plant it, plant it.
Planted.
Roof garage.
Plant ako.
Plant it kung
Oo.
kaya.
Oy,
Nope.
Go, go, go.
Just gonna plant here.
Do it, do it.
Cover the diffuser.
Yep.
Well,
Yun lang.
Hindi. Huwag natin i-rush pag
yeah.
someone's there. Ingat ah.
yung ingat ka sa pulse sa baba.
Ano ako spotted by scan, puta?
Putang ina. Ito. Wait, asan si Emil?
Kakaakit ko lang behind you.
Ay, okay, sorry. Hinihintay kita. Ayan, yan, sa likod lang siya niyan. Lumisilip.
Wait lang.
Ingat ka.
Spy by scan pa rin? Tama.
Hindi mo ata nasira.
Red ata.
Nandyan siya, si Aruni ah. Sino tong isa? John Seagal sa left mo. Sige.
Red meron din ata.
Saan?
Wala na. Pasok ka na. Ingat ka sa red, Emil.
Swapping mags!
How am I getting spotted? Ah, fuck.
Magtapon ka ng drone para mabantayan ko yung, yung sa ilalim mo. Aruni Cash.
Sayang. Malapit na mamatay yung Rooney.
I'm planting.
don't-
Protect the diffuser. We have been
Wala,
Isa ka.
you were alone na lang.
Alam ko may kasama pa ako.
Sayang.
Balik na. Si Bandit. Ah!
Ang bad trip.
It's okay. We got this.
Defend? Yeah.
Mm,
Di ako. Ay, hindi. You wanna do yung ano, church?
sige,
Sige,
church.
Sige.
Dig on the church. Ganun ulit labas ako.
I'm thinking if I should mirror or soulless eh. Pero... Sige, mirror naman. Tama.
They didn't fuck with any of the hatches. No?
Yeah.
protect the bombs.
I mean, how could they? There's heavily guarded.
That first one peak killed spooked them talaga.
Do it yourself when robots do it better.
Yup. Best was.
Ang nagpag pa. Wala akong audio.
Ay, ano mo, Echo.
Wala akong audio guys ah. Sorry.
Alam.
Okay.
Ako na lang.
Up, up, up.
Okay. 4K yung reload ah.
10 seconds left.
Tangay na.
4K you dito.
Get hatch.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Get hatch.
Okay, ikaw na yan ah.
You must protect your bombs from
They
Shit,
know that.
wait.
by Op 4.
1, 2, 3. Ang apat na. Tatlo na stars. Bantay na lang akong dirt.
Buying part. Fuck.
May nag-derp ba?
Let me know if dirt ah.
Hindi ko alam.
I think that's hatch. Hatch dito.
Which.
Hindi kompleto ang puta.
Fuck, wala.
Be advised, Op 4 has located a bomb.
Meron dyan?
Akala ko may nagsisledge.
May dirt ah.
Si
May
Clarissa
dirt.
pala.
Ay!
Your location is compromised.
May iyan ah.
Dirt na ba?
Dirt, yes.
Pa-
Isa.
Blue?
Dirt, isa.
Pasok na.
Di pa.
Hindi ko alam.
May blue ba? Wala.
May blue. I think.
Trying to go.
Dirt. May tao dyan ah.
Ay, umakit din.
Yan na.
Red.
Iana, blue.
Yan na blue. Di ako makadaan. Trip.
Narinig ako nag-open?
Di na makakross ah.
Di ko
Meron
marinig.
nasa dirt. May nasa dirt.
Baba na ako.
Bok. First floor.
Oh fuck.
Dirt.
Maverick
Bang tayo,
sa
bang
dirt.
tayo. Pansin na lang.
Dirt nga.
Crap.
Dalawa. First.
Dirt is in. Dirt is in.
Got it, yan.
He's
Maverick.
planting. He's planting. Go, go, go. Get him. Thank you.
Nice.
Nice.
Butas
Nice.
yung floor dyan ah. Pwede ka niya, may pwedeng mag-spam sa'yo dyan. First floor.
Okay.
I'm looking at
Anong bantay natin?
I'm gonna go
I'm
watch
looking at
blue.
this direction. Ito meron na. May blue.
Second.
Dalawa blue.
Putang ina. Lion.
Dalawa
Dalawa.
blue. Dalawa blue.
Papuntang church Papuntang church. Yung isa.
Nice one.
Uy!
Ah!
Sige lang, okay lang.
Yun.
Okay lang.
Okay
Alam.
lang yan. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan.
Okay lang. They don't know.
Akala ko kumpi yun. Fucking shit.
Oh, they planting?
They gotta be.
Oh.
Nice. one.
Nice.
You're out of time.
Ano yun? Echo?
Echo. Oo. Kaya sabi, okay lang.
Okay lang.
Diyan pa si Emil eh. Oo.
Outplayed.
Sobrang incomplete yung sound effects ko. Di ba yung sa Lion? Yung 3, 2, 1. Tapos wala na yung wow, 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 wow. Kaya lang yan.
Hindi, ako mag-play sa'yo. Gusto mo?
Ay.
Nanalo ba sila sa CC? Nanalo, no? Oo.
Line mistakes. Mistakes were made.
Ikaw na mag-tournament.
I'll go
Dalawa
to it.
palagi nasa ano. Dalawa palagi nasa garage.
Ito yung iniisip ko eh. Mahilig nga sila sa garage. Buksan natin. Kahit na i-reinforce nila, mag-ace pa rin. So,
I-ace
si
mo yung garage.
Termite sa
Tas-
breach, ace sa garage.
Yep.
Para bukas pa rin. Sige, lagyan nila bandit. Try na yun.
Gym nga.
Gym.
Puta lagi nalalaglag yung puking ng drone.
Gym.
Kung gym sila mag-ano ako. Shipping duck. Shipping duck tayo.
Tingin ko, di na nila reinforce tong garage.
You know what I'm sad about na irrelevant na sa maps ngayon? It's the strip bar.
10 seconds.
Oo nga no.
No one ever just goes to the strip bar anymore. There's nothing
5
there.
seconds to insertion.
Garage clear.
The bomb location and defuse it.
Oh? Naka-castle? What the hell?
Ingat lang. Alright, I'm going in.
I can open construction.
Gumagalaw ah.
Oh shit. Sige lang. Good shit. Oh, I'll cover you then.
Go.
Sige. May bulletproof ulit.
The
Kita ta.
diffuser is now secure.
May gitna.
I'm dead.
Shit
Shit.
smoke. Sige, tuloy.
Ah!
No longer
Puta!
in your possession.
Bakit?
May nasal... May,
Doon?
okay. Alright. Sige. Good lang. Napatay niya yung ano. Napatay niya yun.
Okay. Good. Go, Joey.
Dalawa sa baba. Isa na lang din sa taas. Jury, nasa ano? Nasa breach ha?
Sa bridge.
It's a dock.
CR bathroom.
Sobrang low.
Nice one.
Wait lang. Naslow ako.
Sige, left.
Doors? What the fuck?
Paglabas, Bri.
Low yan. Fight lang.
Nasa labas.
Labas?
Sa labas siya.
Oo,
Yeah.
nasa labas, man. Sa
Opponent
bridge,
Ay,
sa bridge.
gago nga.
Outdoors.
Ayun, oh.
What the fuck?
Weird.
Yan.
I'm super slow.
Weird guy.
Go.
Oh, it didn't give up.
Operator standing.
Nasa labas, sa bridge.
Ingat.
Breach?
1 HP.
Oo,
You gotta
bridge,
trick
nasa
si
bridge.
shit on it.
Pati, basagin mo na lahat. Nakapasok na. Ay, hindi, doon pa rin.
Hindi, ando pa rin. Natingin siya to
Wait,
something.
wait, ano mo muna ano.
Ah, puta!
Shit.
Ganun!
Sabi siya, wait
Ah?
lang. Ayun, nakatago siya. Sabi siya, wait lang sana kasi nasa atin yung bomb eh.
Nasa iyo yung, nandun.
Oo eh.
Ah, nasa atin ba? Fuck. Akala ko nasa labas.
Shit, oo.
Uy, 12 kills.
Sayang.
That's it, baby.
Alright.
Jeez.
Bang.
Oh.
Wow.
Ang dami niya sinabi. Okay lang.
Huh? Kailan
Buti na lang, hindi ko naintindihan.
Yeah.
sabi niyo siguro mabait kayo. Aw, look at that. That's what I like.
Ay, hindi ko pala na-send sa...
Alright, boys, I'm out.
Alright. GG.
Alright. I'm gonna end the stream na rin. GG's.
Buyers.
See you, boys.
Bye-bye.
Good night.
Good night. Alright, gonna end the stream. Bye-bye.